What's good, YouTube? Giving y'all the business off the rip. As soon as we come in with it, front walkway, tighten up these gutters. All of this all the way around. Taking the screens out, we're gonna make sure the windows clean. Give y'all that. Make sure we get these gutters. And they look like that all the way around, y'all. All the way around. We ain't got to clean this. We ain't got to do the driveway. We ain't got to clean up none of this deck back here. We ain't got to clean none of this deck. We ain't got to clean this. Just the house, really. We got a driveway after this, y'all. Okay. Make sure these windows clean. Look at that. We gotta make sure we take care of that. I'm gonna throw that in for free, just touch them up just cause they got mold on them. But his main concern was the windows area right here. That ain't nothing but a house wash. You know. But I'm already pulled. Let's get it. All right, y'all. I'm gonna start over here and just go on and soak. I'm gonna go on and pre-wet everything, get all my bushes and everything wet down before we start applying the chemical. I'm gonna start from here and do all of this. Go and apply all my chemical to all of that. By the time I get done applying to all of this, I'm just gonna come back over here and start rinsing all of this without applying the chemical to. I'm gonna even apply my chemical to all of this. Matter of fact, you know what? I'm gonna go and do the concrete first and get this little part over with. And then I'm gonna start washing the house from that side on over like I just told y'all. So we're gonna go on and start doing this first, right here. I'm gonna even spray all that down. You see, we got the, he wanted his windows clean too. So I told him, if you just take the screens out, then, you know, we'll just, it'll clean better. It'll clean better. You know what I'm saying? The windows will get more cleaner if the screens was out. So, yeah, let's go. Let's start on this right here. Look it up. It's about to go. Alright, y'all, I got the chemical applied over here. You can see them gutters. I really, to be honest with y'all, I really need to touch them gutters back up one more time. Got the windows hit. I need to go and start spraying the windows down. real quick. That's one of the main things. Everything else clean already. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let this sit for a minute. I'm about to spray down on the inside of here in here real quick. And then I'm gonna go back and rinse everything down. I'm gonna rinse these windows down too, right now. Still rinsing, y'all. Rinsing on this side. Now I'm finna go do the back. But I got everything else clean. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Back sprayed down. That back ain't so bad. Like I say, just the window he want it clean. And it's really that little part up there that's really just dirty in the back. A little piece of gutter and soft it up through there. We finna apply that chemical to it. I could have X-jet, but I ain't need to. I'm finna X-jet. I'm about to get done downstream in this. I put just enough surfactant in my mix for it to stick. I don't put too much surfactant in there. I could have X-jet, but I ain't have to, so I didn't. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when we get done. Then we about to go and do a driveway, y'all. I could get a remote switcher thing that turn from water to chemical, but mine's on water. That's a whole lot cheaper. About to spray that down too real quick, y'all. And I'm gonna show y'all what everything look like. All right, y'all. This what we got. Let me close this screen though. Gutters looking good. All the way down. Window clean. No more dirt, no front walkway clean. He gonna see what that gonna look like before and after. He'll be calling back. We'll be back to do this. We'll be doing the vlog on this driveway for sure. That look good though. Clean, that look real good. Clean this up real good. All up through there. This side look good. Gutters clean. Windows clean. Window clean. Gutters clean all the way down from the bottom to the top. We ain't have to clean it. Oh, this is the deck. Oh, this is clean. We ain't have to clean none of this. I gotta send them an estimate for all of this and the driveway. He told me to send it to him when I'm done. Oh, that's clean. Window clean. No streaks. Oh, they clean up through here. Clean up through here too. I had opened all that up, washed all that. All this stuff squeaky clean, dog. Let's get on to this next one, y'all. Driveway cleaning. Let's go. Hey, y'all. About to knock this driveway out. In the front walkway. in these stairs. All right. I'm gonna touch all that up. Let's get it, y'all. I'm already set up. All I gotta do is crank up and go. Just got done with the front walkway, y'all. I'm about to put my turbo nozzle on this, all of that little curve right there. Touch all this little shit up right here. Cause this is where I got a feeling the water gonna drain right here somewhere. You know what I'm saying? Potable. You know, we got that that sludge sucker for that. We ain't worried about no puddles, but I'm gonna go on and tighten this area up first. I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when we done with it. All right, y'all, I got all the places my surface cleaner can't get hit. You know, I got all that hit. Look at her, y'all, up under all that dirt and all that thick moss and stuff and mud and stuff was a drain. That's good. I got up all that thick moss that was right here just to remove it, blow a lot of that dirt out the way. Got the driveway blowed down. Now I'm about to apply my chemical from the front walkway, up from the porch all the way right here. Then I'm gonna start I might apply it from here on down. You know what I'm saying? So, let me see. I got my chemical on. I got my M5 twist. I'm going to buy me an X-Jet. A real soft wash system, a 12-volt system. Just for pre-treating my concrete. I don't want to pre-treat my concrete with the X-Jet until I get my X-Jet pail. Waiting on the chemical to come through. There we go, y'all. There go the chemical. I'm about to start applying my chemical from right here. Of course, I'm about to fan it out. I ain't gonna do it with the straight tip. But I'm about to start applying my chemical to all of this, all the way on down. Front walkway, porch, everything. Then we're gonna start cleaning the front walkway, and then we're gonna work our way on down, y'all. Let's get to it. All that mold and mildew on the ground. That's mold and mildew. Thick down there. But yeah, I touched it up all down through there, everything touched up. All the places that might hold or flood, I went on and touched them up. I even touched up the bottom down here. See, I even got all that just hit with my turbo nozzle. I did all that. We ain't doing all that unless he pay us. You know what I'm saying? I see a lot of things need to be touched up, like this whole house need to be washed. But I'm always looking for the upsell. I'll holler at them when I'm done. Wifey just pulled up. Let's get it, y'all. Let's pre-treat this whole driveway. Let's pre-treat. See, I already did that wall, so that wall really getting post-treated. You know what I'm saying? Got just enough surfactant in my mix just for it to stick on the ground But I don't like all that foam when you cleaning the driveways, all that solution, all them, you know, all that foam and stuff, man, on the driveway. I don't like that. Just pre-treat this whole driveway real good, cause it do got mold in me. If I had a hot mix, I ain't got no chemical in my blue barrel in order to X-Jet. If I did, I would have put a hot mix on it. I got an X-Jet pail system on the way. We definitely about to be X-Jetting these driveways, all this concrete, stucco, all that, bricks. Yeah, we definitely about to be putting hot mix on all that real soon. It should be here today or tomorrow. But I'm about to get this treated, y'all, and I'll be right back with the surface cleaner. Got a little mix on this mailbox. Mailbox part of curb appeal too, y'all. We offer mailbox cleaning services too. We get it in, we get it in. I'm about to rinse all this down, and then I'm about to post-treat this whole driveway. And I'm gonna show y'all what it look like when I'm done. Good X-Jet rinse, so it won't blow everything everywhere. Be back in a second, y'all. I'll show y'all what this thing look like. Alright, y'all, here we go. Mailbox looking good. Brand new. Brought that thing back real quick. Starting from the bottom to the top, looking great. No swirl lines, no lines, period. Got my post treat down. Front walkway looking great. Y'all about to get a customer reaction. Front walkway stairs looking great. Oh yeah. No swirl lines, no nothing. You dig? What up? Yeah. All the way around. Looking good. Looking good. Couldn't even see that drying at first. Couldn't even see that drying at first. Let me look at it from this side. Maybe y'all can see it better. Great work. No swirl lines, no nothing. I got my post treat down too. And mind y'all, this ain't even dry yet. It's still soaking wet. Look at that. Still soaking wet. Thing still soaking wet, man. Y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. Thank y'all for watching and tapping in with your boy. I'm finna give him a price for this house wash. Couple of more things like that front walkway. I mean, like that little thing, you know, little bricks, and a couple of more things, and we out of here. I love y'all, man. Thank y'all for choosing me to lock in with. This house need to be washed bad too. Y'all know I've been watching. Look at them gutters and them soffits and stuff. Definitely need to be washed. I always look for the upsell, y'all. I always look for other things to clean. Appreciate y'all. Brian Washing LLC. Y'all, I had got home. I told y'all my X-Jet pail system should be here. Yeah. Perfect spot for the for it. So now when I go reload, I get 15 in there, 5 in there, 5 in there. And I keep this 5 in case I need a hot mix. I have 5 already in my XJ pail. I just pick it up, connect the end of this to there, you know, attach and go. I'm gonna do a video on this, the XJ pail, and I'm gonna do a demo and everything, man. Y'all just like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so y'all will be notified when I do drop the video. You know what I'm saying? Stay tuned, man. I got a lot of content coming up for y'all. If you just getting into the pressure washer industry, this is the channel for you. All that stuff they teaching y'all how to they charging y'all in those courses. I'm giving up the game for free. All right, we giving it up for free at Brown Washing, baby. Brown Washing LLC, man, on YouTube. We giving it up for free, man, on this channel. Ain't nobody doing that, but we do charge for hands-on training, though, to actually work with the equipment. Actually, it's a different feeling when you in the field working with it. You know what I'm saying? So we do charge for hands-on training, but you know, we giving the game away, man. You know what I'm saying? Because when I first started, I ain't had nobody to give me the game. I'm giving it to you uncut, man. The real deal. And I'm gonna give y'all a real video, a full video on sodium hypochlorite too, man. Give y'all the real game, man. You know what I'm saying? These gonna be separate videos, man. But until then, we out of here, man.